Let's use some resin and an Iron Orchid Designs mold to make some Christmas ornaments. These would be great for gift tie-ons, tree ornaments, and we're even going to put some magnets in some. Pour the resin in, and you can embed the magnet. If you don't want to do the embedding method, you can actually use some E6000 to attach those magnets to the back. I purchased this download of Santa stamps from Etsy. I'll put the link in the description box below. If you don't want to use those, you could use some decoupage paper. I'm using some DIY Liquid Patina as a decoupage medium to adhere the Santa stamp, and DIY paint to decorate. And I'll also be using some DIY golden rule wax. You can purchase all these products on my website, mamabearblue.com, and I will put the links in the description box below.